Hello guys, I am currently standing in my home gym. I showed you guys in one of my last vlogs kind of where I was at. I showed you guys a little bit of me painting everything. Now I am officially done with that part, and now I need to just kind of like put it together and like put everything in its place. I'm going to do a little bit of organization today. As you guys can tell, this is like a reset. I'm just gonna be 1000% honest with you guys. I'm at a point in my life right now where my house is like hot mess express. It's really, really hard for me to like maintain a clean house every single day just because I am not at home all the time. When I used to work from home, it was a lot easier for me to do like more consistent cleanings, if that makes sense. Trying to balance a lot of things in my life right now, and I just need to manage my time better. Not trying to make excuses, but I've just been going through a lot in my personal life, and I'm just learning how to balance everything. And when I mean balance, I mean that in all aspects of my life. So this video is just me documenting me resetting everything. It's 11:30 right now. I'm going to one of my cheerleaders' quinces tonight, so I have to be ready and leave my house, I want to say by like 4:30, because I have to be at Lowe's house at 5. So I need to like get it together. I am going to get a workout in. I don't know if I'm gonna have time to like do a full workout with like weights and stuff. I might just do 12 330, which I'm sure you guys all know what that is. 12 incline, 3 miles per hour for 30 minutes. Super efficient workout if you guys are on a time crunch. It's just 30 minutes. And it's great. I want to do this situation because it's giving hot mess. So I'm gonna move my car out of the garage so that I have more room, and then we're gonna organize this, and yeah, then I'm gonna work out. Thanks for watching this video. I love you. Okay. All right, let me know in the comments which one you guys think looks better, the checkered one or this one. Okay, you guys, I just got up to my room. I have you guys zoomed in so you guys can't see my floor. I'm about to show you guys how bad my room is. I finished my workout. If you guys were curious, this is my workout summary. So yeah, I'm about to tidy up a little bit. Let me just show you guys. Okay, please don't judge me. Let's not judge me. Okay, you're not gonna judge me, right? Thank you. Okay, this is what we have going on. I know it's so embarrassing, you guys. I know. It's so bad. Okay, but it is what it is. These are some clothes I have to return. This is just some laundry that I need to put away. I will say, Calvin, my boyfriend, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. Okay, I know it really bothers him, and I'm trying to do better. Okay, I'm really, really trying. It's just really hard for me, and I don't know why. Okay, and I know I'm aware of my problem. I need to pick up after myself, but like I said, it's hard. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Calvin's at school right now, so I want to get this done before he gets home. So I just finished putting together this clothing rack and replacing my old one. The other one I had was just kind of not aesthetic, you know. This one's a little bit more sleek. It's black, it's cute. I can plan my outfits. I really want to start doing outfit of the day videos on TikTok and like cute little videos. So I thought that this would be a cute addition, and I'm filming Get Readies with me. I'll show you guys when I get ready. I'm going to put it like behind me so that it gives kind of like a background. I don't know. I'm just trying to like spruce up my aesthetic and my videos and stuff. And I know that that's not realistic for everybody, and I realize that, but this is just my life. And I'm just sharing it with you guys. It lives like right in front of my mirror in my room, and I just kind of like move it around. And your girl has a lot of clothes, so it just kind of helps with my closet not being so overfilled with things. And I know some of these things are not kind of like in season. I know I have a puffer jacket, I have a leather jacket, just kind of more jackets. These are more kind of like what I'm wearing right now in the spring, just a little bit more breathable stuff, some oversized t-shirts and stuff like that, my jeans, my pants. Right here are just some dresses. I'm going to a quinceañera tonight, I told you guys, so I need to figure out what I'm going to wear tonight. I think I'm going to wear one of these options. I'm about to vacuum. Alright guys, I'm going to shower. I'll see you guys when I get out. I just had to go with this dress. It's a little just basic orange color dress. So I'm going to do my makeup. Before I get into that, I wanted to share this product. I know you guys probably watch Carly Bible, but she recently talked about this, and I used to use this back in like 2015, 2016, and I haven't thought about it in so long. And when I saw her use this in her video, I was just like, so I ran to Rite Aid and I got it. So I've been using this, and I don't know if it really makes a difference to be, well, okay. It does help my makeup stay on, but I feel like my makeup stays on other times too. But I don't know. I've just been like switching up my makeup routine a lot, and that's might have something to do with my breakouts. And I'm really insecure about it, and it does make me want to put on more makeup whenever I am breaking out like this. So yeah, I'm just being honest. I don't feel like I need makeup, but I also love wearing makeup. So I don't know. I know a lot of people don't like to wear makeup, and that's totally fine if you don't like to wear makeup, but I do. I don't know if you guys like the talk through of the makeup, or if you guys want just like music. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out like a different editing style. So let me know what you guys like when it comes to that. I'm on my way to my friend Lo's house. If you guys are new to my channel, me and Lo have been friends since we were in 8th grade. We went to elementary school together. We weren't friends in elementary school. We became friends in 8th grade. And yeah, that's my bitch. And we coach cheer together. So we are high school cheer coaches for the high school that we went to. So, fun fact about me.
We'll let you know when.
15.
Muy buenas noches tengan todos ustedes. En nombre de Adriana y Luis les damos la más cordial de las bienvenidas. Muchas gracias por estar presentes en esta noche tan especial para ellos, por lo cual les vamos a pedir un fuerte, fuerte aplauso. Por esto...
I literally just called Calvin and I was like, Calvin, and he's like, Harmony? Because I never call him that.
I don't really like how you said my name.
That was so funny. Come here, baby.
Are you mad at me? I'm sorry. I put the dishes away. Yeah, nice sweater.
You like this outfit? Is it weird that the two greens are a little different?
I'm colorblind. I can't even notice that.
About to do my makeup and yeah, so I'll see you guys after.
like, wow, stuff is getting real. You know, it's fun and all to have your freedom, and when you're younger, all you want to do is just grow up and be an adult and be on your own. And now that I'm here, it's like 50-50. Like, I love it, and I'm so happy where I'm at, and I'm so grateful for the place that I'm at right now, because I am financially stable. I have the job of my dreams. I feel like on the other side, sometimes I get so sad that I'm like not a kid.
Handsome. Do your hair, okay?
Oh, I was gonna forget.
Yeah, you were gonna forget. You look so cute, baby.
Wait, what is it? I love you, Mom.
I love you more.
I want you to have another baby.
Huh?
I want you to have a baby.
My son is at the age where he really wants a sibling, and I want to give him one. And, you know, obviously I can't tell him, like, I'm trying, but, like, yeah. It's just hard. I don't like to talk about it, really. I don't ever talk about it with anyone, like, ever. But here I am telling millions of people on the internet. But yeah, that's why I think you should never ask people, oh, when are you guys gonna have a baby? 'Cause sometimes people are, like, battling, and I'm not saying I'm, like, struggling to get pregnant, you know, it hasn't even been, like, that long that we're not trying. We just don't use protection, if you know what I mean. So if it happens, it happens, and when that day does happen, I'm speaking into existence, I am literally gonna be so freaking happy, and I just can't wait. For now, it's just me, Elijah, Calvin, and our 3 cats. Now, I've been breaking out so bad, and it is honestly, I don't want to say it's embarrassing, because it's not embarrassing, but I do get a little bit insecure about it. So if you are struggling with acne, just know that you're not alone, because yeah, it's hard. But I've been doing this new makeup technique, and I guess it's called underpainting, which I never knew that. Basically, you're just layering a bunch of, like, creams. Elijah just asked me right now, he's like, when are you gonna have another baby?
Oh,
Look, I'm trying.
oh, definitely tried. Alright, baby. Love you.
Love you. Like, you just basically, like, apply all your cream products and you put your, like, foundation over it. I think that's how you do it. I don't know. I just kind of do my makeup however I feel. I feel like makeup is really a form of art. For me, it's, like, therapeutic just to, like, do my makeup. I love just watching a YouTube video, getting inspiration for content, and just beating my face. It's literally my favorite thing to do. Also, I'm gonna show you guys my favorite highlighter ever in a second. But yeah, for now, I'm just gonna do the rest of my makeup, and once I get to my highlight, I'll chat with you guys about that highlight, because it's literally the best highlight I've tried ever. And that's saying a lot, because I've been doing makeup for a very long time. I'll see you guys in a second. most of you guys probably know, the Morphe store is all closed down. All of my lip liners are really, really low, and these are my favorite lip liners ever. Okay, I know that there's like a lot of controversy when it comes to Morphe, but sorry, their lip liners are bomb. So I just ordered a bunch of new ones. I got 2 sweet teas, 2 spiffies, which are like my go-tos, and then I got this one, which is called Coffee and Kisses, which I've never tried before, but we're gonna give her a go. I always tell Elijah when he gets a girlfriend, his girlfriend's gonna be lucky because he's used to going shopping with me doing my makeup. I have a lot of plants, is that what you said?
Yes. One day we might show a plant tour around the house. She has like one every single time I come in the house.
That's not true.
Well, every time I come in the house, I see a plant.
Well, yeah, that's just because I have a lot of them.
You have like 27 in your room. And you have like a bunch more downstairs. And in the office. They have so much, Mom.
I like plants.
Okay, we definitely need a garden for you.
Yeah.
That's one thing.
Yeah.
You really need a garden.
Let me show you guys the highlighter I was talking about. This is from Sheglam. I've not seen a lot of people talk about Sheglam a lot. I really like their products. I'm using their Sun Sculpt Liquid Contour. I used that today, as well as their TK Glow Bloom Liquid Highlighter. I'm also using that. I'm also wearing the Sheglam Liquid Lipstick. I'm also wearing that. So I just really like their products a lot, but this is literally my favorite thing. I have tried some products that were kind of a miss, not gonna lie, but this one is such a hit. Okay, so you guys see my cheek. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit. And then just apply this. I just love how it looks. Thank you, baby.
What happened?
And then I'm just gonna take some on my nose and on the bridge of my nose. And I literally just love this product looks. I highly recommend it. It's the Sheglam Cosmic Crystal Mousse Highlighter in the shade Moonbeam. So try it out. Gotta go to Elijah's soccer game, so I will see you guys later. Just got back home. Give the kitty some catnip. I know she doesn't care. Apparently you're not supposed to like do this often.
Which they don't.
Look, come get her here. Look at babe.
Stitch is a eater of it.
And Lilo is like, I don't even know what to do. See it? Look at Lilo.
Here's the definition of a scaredy cat.
it good? This boy be purring. Muscle. Oh, no. I can't do Oh, good A. We think we're rich over here getting crab. All right, guys, we're about to have a little crab boil. You excited, baby?
Yeah, that I've been like this, Mom.
Yeah, hold on.